Alright, hello YouTube, this is the 36-inch SMC Laguna ceiling fan that I bought at Habitat today for $10. It's got, the globe on this is actually very thick. When I was driving home, it kind of flew back and forth in the back of my mom's car. It's missing, what is it? Yeah, it looks like it's missing 3 screws. Yeah, it's missing 3 screws. It's in somewhat rough shape, and I don't think the mounting hardware is original. The ball might be, but the bracket itself is too big, so the ball just slides right through, so it's being actually held up by the canopy. So technically, how far can we go on that? Yeah, we can go pretty far on the pitch on that. Maybe that's how it's supposed to be, I don't know. Wouldn't make sense for them to do that, but it's possible. Let's test out the light kit. Starts with, I think, a 60-watt CFL encased bulb. The globe is very loose. Just carry that thing down there, whatever that is. Yeah, whatever. Let's test out the fan. Well, switch was not in the right position. Yeah, that's low. Alright. I'm kind of expecting quite a bit from this fan because I've heard that these are fairly powerful fans. This right here was less than impressive. I mean, it was pretty sad. I'm getting the slightest breeze from it on low right here. Or that could be wind from outside. It doesn't look windy though. Pretty good low speed. Let's go to medium. I don't know how much this thing's gonna shake. Really not shaking much at all. Pretty decent breeze. Let's go to high. Kind of cool startup sound. I don't think the camera will pick it up though. Yeah, really not bad. Yeah, so I'm thinking about hanging this. So there's a Hampton Bay over there. I'm thinking about hanging this right in between the light and the garage door opener. I think where that white plaster mark is, I think it'll fit there because that's the closest joist without interfering with the light. Because I hate it when they like flash like that. It's so annoying. And then the other one might go above my dad's car or over there. I'm not really sure yet. Not really sure what to expect on spin down time because like this down here I didn't have a chance to test it. Very nice stencil blades on this though. Looks like it's gonna be a pretty quick spin down time. Yeah, I was expecting a longer spin down time. Test in reverse. Yeah, it takes a second to get up to speed, but it's really not all that slow of a fan. It's gonna be a tight fit there. Got my head turned around looking at that spot. I don't know if it'll fit or not. I would assume it would, but I don't know. It's tight. And what I mean by CFL encased, it's one of those CFL bulbs. show you. It's one of those little encased one. To CFL, just inside a glass, I don't know, globe, I guess you could say. So there's medium reverse. Let's go to high reverse. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a bolt that's really shiny and sticking out like a sore thumb. Actually, there's a couple of them because they probably replaced them at this habitat. This habitat that I went to was way bigger than my local habitat, and this one's probably about the same distance. I mean, they had everything. Anything you can think of, they pretty much had it. Alright, thanks for watching.